All right, so we're taking more questions. What are the most sold services on Upwork? So I would have to say time. Time is the most sold service on Upwork because this is more like there's countless VAs or call center help or people just, kind of paying for time. This is a huge component of what's being sold. And you could even break time down to if it's development time, right? But the fact of the matter is they're selling time. They're selling people's times as a service. I would kind of think about it if you're looking to like, okay, what should I offer and that type of thing is how do I apply my time that's going to really help this company and things like that? Because that's what companies are hiring: time, counting time, consulting time, like I said, VA time. It all comes down to that. So you have to try and make your time as valuable and as applicable as possible if you really want to start selling your own kind of services on there. So I know it's a little abstract, but to get any more specific, maybe tell me what your skill set is, and I think that then you could figure out how to apply your time to the right people. Because I think that unless you're looking for like what specific product as far as like a design or something like that, I think that would either need to be like your calling and be good at design, or you wouldn't be kind of asking those questions. You just know that like, okay, I'm going to do design. So if you're trying to sell your time and make money, I would just look at how do I make my time valuable? What do people need time for? So a lot of times people are buying my time to help them with their automation and their marketing. And I know that is something that most businesses need because they need to sell their products, and they need a lot of people's time to help them with that. So hope that answers that question. Thank you so much for it. Bye-bye.